variables, when we look at the Indian story, there are three variables that go into the end result with compounding, right? So the first variable is starting amount, right? What do you start with? Second variable is what is the rate of return? And the third variable is the length of the runway. And these three have an interplay. So we saw that you can start with 2.4 cents with a really long runway and end up with a really big number at a relatively low rate of compounding. Or you can have a, kind of above index rate of compounding, like I was giving my daughter about 15%, smaller runway, not that much starting capital, but still end up with a large number. So I think it's really important when you're young. I was telling them when they were putting this event together, okay, YPO se kyun baat kara rahe ho? Especially YPO gold walon se kyun baat kara rahe ho? It's like, it's too late, guys. We needed to have this conversation 50 years ago. But we have a few YNG people here. Can the YNG folks raise their hands? So I'm only directing my comments to you guys. The rest of them are just here for, filling the seats. But you guys can actually do something about it, right? Because you have a runway. And so it's really important to start as early as possible. Warren Buffett says that I bought my first stock when I was 11. I was wasting my time before then. So anyway, I just wanted to just set the stage where basically I just say that these are really simple concepts. But Charlie Munger used to say you have to take a simple idea and take it very seriously.